Welcome to our series, U.S. Diabetes Care, Changing the Way You Live with Diabetes. If you or someone you know has been diagnosed with diabetes, it can be a challenging and overwhelming experience. You may have been told you will always be on medicines, pills, shots, or insulin. You may even feel like your journey to a healthier lifestyle is over or that it's too late. However, the good news is that is not all true. With proper management and lifestyle changes, it is possible to reverse insulin resistance or even reverse type 2 diabetes. And if you are a type 1 diabetic, we currently know that even if you are not able to reverse your diabetes, you will be able to have significantly tighter and better control of your diabetes. We'll give you the foundation you need to start working on reversing insulin resistance, improving your diabetes, and even possibly reversing your type 2 diabetes. So, let's get started.